feel like the hardest part of reaching for your dreams is dealing with that fear of falling face first, but not me. Yeah, I refuse to fall down from another cloud when I know that I'm pound for pound the best MC around. And dollars seem square, so I never play around, but I'm clowning on others. I used to tell my mother, don't frown, cause your son will get it figured out. And I always got it done, so she never wondered how. She used to say I came from the clouds, cause even in my sleep I was speaking out loud. Angel of hip-hop, higher than the tip-top, till I realized it had never been top. Used to be scared to stand out for fear of being seen as the light in the dark era, but now the whole world gon' hear about my dream, and everything in life couldn't seem much clearer. My drive drove me damn near insane, no Cali. Now I'm dropping colder shit than winter in the valley. Let's go, go. Sometimes you never find yourself till you're lost and no one's around. So I just let my dreams carry me and just hope I never fall from a cloud. Behind closed doors, man, you would never think that I'd right to fill the void I have inside. Yeah, there's been plenty girls staying all around, but for the most part, man, it's full of lonely nights. That's why me and the mic so close, cause I never really chose to do this, just wrote. But when I closed my eyes in the night, man, the voice from within told me that the game needed light. So I ain't asked questions to get a repercussion. Seeing these dudes flexing made me start cussing, cause a nice face with a sweet voice never gets heard, no matter how deep it means.